Okay, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install movies for free and series for those who are interested. So firstly, you'll have to download an application, which I'll be adding on the description. And as soon as you download, just install Cinema APK. That's the file. So just install it as normal. And after you install it, just open the application. And that's it. That's as simple as that. You'll get free movies, almost all the titles of series and movies you want for free. You can either stream it to your Wi-Fi or mobile data, or you could download it to your phone and watch it wherever you are. So let's just wait for the application to open. There. So once it opens, just click Allow. Welcome to Cinema. So this is the newest version. They've added a lot of features like add Netflix list, Amazon, Hulu, YouTube Red. So technically that's it. You have all the movies here. So let's say you want to play Lion King. Just click on Lion King. If you want to download the movie, just click Download. But you have to wait first for streams to come out before you click Download. So it would be advisable if you're on mobile data, just download the smallest possible, 526 MB. So you just click on that, click on Download, and as you can see, it's here, The Lion King. Number of threads 3. You can increase the number of threads to increase seeders or movie threads that it will make your downloads faster. So just click Start. And just wait for it. And there. Movie is now downloading. So you can either pause it and continue it on a later, or start and it will resume. So that's it. Hope you like my video and hope you subscribe. Help me increase my channel. And that's all for now. Thanks. Bye, guys.